Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the Lattice Stripes shell stitch pattern. I love how this pattern looks, just like I love all my patterns. So for this pattern, you are just going to need to know how to do a double crochet and a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you're going to want to do multiples of 12 plus 6. For this tutorial, I'm going to do a quick 18 chains. Alright, once you have your first 18 chains, you want to go ahead and chain 4. And in the 5th chain from the hook, you want to work your first treble crochet. Followed by a chain 1, skip 1, and work another treble crochet. And this will actually be our repeat through the whole entire row. So chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet. Alright, and here we are coming up on the end. It'll be a chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet, and chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet. Now that we've finished row 1, which is the foundation for this pattern, we're going to go ahead and work on the repeats, which will be rows 2 through 7 to get your pattern height. So to start off, you want to chain 1 and work 1 double crochet in the first stitch. We're going to skip the first chain 1 space, and we're going to work 5 treble crochets in the next chain 1 stitch. And this can get a little complicated, so if you get a little lost, go ahead and pause the video, take a gander, or look down at the pattern in the bottom left corner. So we're going to skip the next chain 1 space, but we're going to work a double crochet in the treble crochet post from the previous row, followed by a skipping a chain 1 space, and in the next one working 5 treble crochets. So you always want to make sure after you've finished your 5 treble crochets that you skip the next chain 1 space and work a double crochet in the post that's right next to it. So again, we are going to skip 1, and in the next one work 5 treble crochets. Alright, followed by skipping 1 and working 1 double crochet in the chain wall space. And we do this just so we give it a nice beautiful edge. So that is row 2. So row 3, we're going to turn our work and we're going to start off by chaining 4. And we're going to work 1 double crochet in the middle of the treble crochet clusters from the previous row. Followed by chaining 6, working a double crochet in the middle of the 5 treble crochets from the previous row, chaining 6, working a double crochet in the center of the clusters, and you would repeat that till the end of the row of whatever size you've decided to create. So the last little bit, we are going to chain 2 and we're going to work 1 treble crochet in the last stitch. and that is row 3. So row 4 is going to be pretty similar. So we're going to chain 1 and work 1 double crochet in the first stitch, followed by chaining 6, and working a double crochet in the center of the chain 6 from the previous row, just under and over it. Again, chain 6, double crochet in the chain 6 from the previous row, chain 6, and working a double crochet in the chain wall space to give it that nice smooth edge. All right, so row 5 is going to change it up just a bit. No pun intended. We're going to start by chaining 4 and working a double crochet in the center of the chain 6 from the previous row. But now we're going to chain 5 and work a double crochet in the previous row. Again, chain 5, double crochet in the center of the previous row's chains, and we're going to end by chaining 2 and working a double crochet in the last stitch. Sorry, a treble crochet in the last stitch. So you can kind of see how it's getting that nice lattice look to it. So row 6, we are going to be chaining 1. And whatever the chains are is how many double crochets you do. So this one has, we're going to do a double crochet in the first stitch, because that's already foundation there. Then in those chain 2, we're going to double crochet 2. Work a double crochet in the next stitch from the previous row, right there, followed by 5 double crochets across that chain 5 we did. Followed by a double crochet in the next stitch. 5 double crochets in the next chain 5 area. A double crochet in the next stitch. And to end it off, we're going to do 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space. And then we'll work our last double crochet in the chain wall itself to give it that nice smooth edge. And that is row 6. So here we are coming up on row 7. We want to start off by chaining 4. And in the 5th, we're going to skip the first stitch. And then in the second stitch, we're going to work our first treble crochet, followed by a chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet. And you'll realize this is just like row 1. And that's because the foundation for this whole entire pattern is row 1 is our foundation row, but the repeat for this whole entire pattern, again, is row 2 through 7. So you would just keep going until you've reached your desired height and length. So again, it's a chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, treble crochet in the last stitch. And there you have it. That's how you do the Lattice Stripes shell stitch pattern. Super fun. Just think it's wonderful. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.